So there are a few things that are needed that aren't in the box. And it's what I needed for the meal that I'm gonna do right now for this here. I needed olive oil. I needed some cooking spray. Ooh. I needed pepper and salt. Okay, so those are the things that were not in the kit that I needed to have on hand at home to add to the meal, which most people have those things on hand usually, salt, pepper, oil. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna get started on this meal right now. The first thing that I already have my oven preheating to 400, and I have my pan lined with foil. This is actually gonna be one of those meals that everything goes on this pan, put it in the oven, and I'm done, except for I think it's like this sauce that I have to make. So yeah, I'm just going to clean off my produce, pat it dry, and get started. All right, so I'll be back once I clean my produce. So right now I have the squash seasoned and roasting in the oven for 10 minutes. And now I'm working on the fish. With the fish, I have to do a mixture of sage, salt and pepper, and lemon. And then I will add that to the tray, and that will roast or cook with the squash. So I'm gonna work on that now, and then I will be back and give you a little sneak peek. I don't know what it tastes like. Okay, so I finished making our first meal with Home Chef, and I think it took longer than the prep and cook time said on the card, but it was because I kind of would keep rereading things just to make sure I was doing it right. So it did take a little longer. I did mess up on the sauce. I put like an ingredient in before I was supposed to, but it's fine. It still tastes okay. It still tastes okay to me. And actually the cranberries on the fish was a nice little touch. I like that. I like that flavor. Let's see. So I messed up on that. The squash, I think previously I might have said it was sweet potatoes. It was not sweet potatoes, it was squash. I do feel like I undercooked them. However, my husband, he still liked it. The flavor of the squash was good. I just feel like they were a little kind of hard, but honestly, I don't eat squash enough to know if it was right or wrong, to be honest with you. I still ate them. I just honestly don't really like the texture of them, so I probably will not get them again. But in all, I was pleased. I was pleased with my first meal with Home Chef. Malachi, what would you rate it? On 1 to 10. 1 being, yeah, okay. So my husband rates our first meal a 8. I think I would rate it as like a 7. Yeah, a 7. Yeah, a 7. But yeah, that's Home Chef. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.